Gerald earned $150 in points on his Plus card from the Office Discount Center. He used his point credit to purchase supplies for his business totaling $112.33. The next day, the store discounted all the computer travel bags. Gerald returned to the store and bought one for $69.99 using the remainder of his points, then paid cash for the difference. How much did Gerald have to pay in cash toward the purchase of the computer travel bag? So we have the $150 earned on the Plus card. We have supplies that were bought totaling $112.33 for our first transaction, and we have a bag bought for $69.99 for the second transaction. Let's deal with transaction 1 first. We have the supplies that were bought using the $150 card. So we're going to have the $150. We're going to subtract from that the first transaction total of $112.33. Remember that when we're working with decimals, we're going to line up the decimal sign in order to do subtraction or addition, and we'll add on the fact that we had 0 cents. Now we're going to do a subtraction. We try to take the 3 from, and we notice that we are going to need to borrow in order to do the subtraction. So we'll back ourselves up to the 5. We'll take 1 from the 5 to give us a 4. That would give us the 1 here, but we need to borrow from that, so that now becomes a 9. That 1 moves over, that becomes a 9, and the 1 moves over. So now we're going to have 3 subtracted from 10 to give us 7. We have 3 subtracted from 9 to give us 6. Our decimal point lines up. 2 from 9 gives us 7. And 1 from 4 is going to give us a value of 3. We now have a point total of $37.67 on our Plus card. However, we want to buy a bag for $69.99. We need to find the difference between these in order to determine how much he actually has to pay in cash. So if we take the $69.99, the total for the second transaction, and subtract from it the points that we have on the Plus card, which is monetarily $37.67, we can subtract to find out how much he has to pay in cash. 7 from 9 is 2. 6 from 9 is 3. Our decimal point moves down. 7 from 9 is 2. And 3 from 6 is 3, which means that he ends up having to pay $32.32 in cash.